So what's the plan today? So plan today is we are going to the Nijo market. Nijo market. We are in the Sapporo city center. Then we are going to TV tower, and we are going to clock tower. Then government building. I wanted to go to the ropeway, but ropeway is the opposite way. So whether we can go or not, I'm not sure. Yeah, we arrived in Nijo Ichiba, Nijo market. Noren Yokocho. Wow, a lot of you guys like this kind of place, right? Oh, the place, nice place. Oh, Hokkaido is famous for the seafood, kaisendon. So kaisendon is popular, and also wow, Yubari melon ice cream, soft cream. Hokkaido is all about ice cream. You want ice cream? No?
Wow, you can grill.
Oh, uni?
Yeah.
すごい。これ初めて見た人生で。こうなってるの。
So,
すごい。
you wanna try?
You guys want to try? 食べてみたい。これ1000円？1個1000円ですか？
そうです。
あ、じゃあこれ You want to try?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try it. じゃあお願いします。He wash it. わー、すごい。Yeah.
Yeah.
ありがとうございます。This is あなた You okay?
Uni.
You already pay.
Okay.
Okay. Hey guys, this is 1,000 yen. Is it worth it? Can you guys see? Yes. Maybe put some soy sauce.
So, there you go.
At least we get to see this. This is a shrine! Wow! Everyone rub the boobs
The stomach.
until
The
no
eye?
until
Yeah.
no nipples.
They rub it dry. So if you touch the head,
Touch the
you
head.
improve academic
Improve
achievement.
academic achievement. Maybe I need a little bit.
Are you fucking
You
dumb?
rub the eyes and the nose.
Eyes and nose,
Acceptance, election, and employment.
election, and employment.
Yeah.
But we didn't put any money though.
We can put it later.
Later.
Yeah. Rub the shoulders
Rub the shoulder
to chest.
to chest.
Then
To
you will
chest.
get love and good match.
You will get love. You will get love and match.
Yeah. If you
That's
rub-
why everybody rubs. See? So smooth. Only here is so smooth. A lot of people touch it.
Give your meat a good old rub. Yeah, boy.
Oh wow! It's so big. Oh, sorry. I'm just new name One Punch Tanuki. Oh, すごい. Ta-da! Hokkaido, Sapporo Tower, Sapporo, France. We are in France. Let's climb. Where is the beer factory and Shiroi Koibito? I want to go to the beer factory and the Shiroi Koibito park. Let me check. Sapporo Beer Factory. Okay, Sapporo Beer Factory is not that far. 18 minutes by train. We can walk 29 minutes. No? Take the train? Let's go to the beer factory, guys. Nice. Yeah. he's jobless. The building. Let's go.
Apparently, there's a free. For free. This is
For
free.
free. Premium tour. I want to join premium tour though. Premium tour is 500 yen only. What is this? This is what? No internet. Are you guys safe? Are you guys there? Oh, the first beer brewer.
Oh, it's trained in Germany.
Oh, he trained in Germany. Kaitakushi hired Japanese brewer trained in authentic brewing in Germany. Started running a beer business. Wow. Oh, so that big? Factory is that big. Now we are there. Now we are there. There. Stuck in there. Stuck in there. Tree of North Korea. Sapporo Lager Beer. Called Leisei. Lin. And 1883.
What kind is it?
I knew in North Korea owned this beer since beginning. What is the red star represent?
Yeah, it is the evolution of the logo.
Evolution of the logo. Sapporo Lager Beer. This is the label. It's so cute. I was born in here. すごい. This is very very
German.
German だね。なるほどね。札幌ビール。すいません。お願いします。はい、お願いします。This is nice. Yeah, it's so good.
その紙にビールの銘柄と特徴書かれているので、
ありがとうございます。1, 2, 3, 4. Black
Black label.
Ooh. Very sweet. Nice to drink the beer after walking all the way.
Yeah.
Whoa, very different.
Really?
The color is really different. Look.
Which looks milkier.
Yeah. The color is totally different.
Less clear, yeah.
Thank you. Always ありがとう。Thank you so much, Samia. 優しいね。わあ The water is so clean. Whoa, 冷たい。It's really cold. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I usually washing my armpits.
I see gold. You want to look for gold?